Let's crochet this tiny heart. Let's make a magic ring. And then make 2 chains. Now we will make 3 triple crochet. Triple crochet is yarn over twice and insert the hook in the magic ring. Pull out 2 loops, 1, 2, 3 times. So we'll repeat the same thing 3 times. 3 triple crochet. Now we'll make 4 double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the magic ring, pull out 2 loops once, 2 loops twice. This is double crochet. Now 1 triple crochet. This completes half heart. Now we'll repeat the same process on the other side. So first we will make 4 double crochet. And now I will make 3 triple crochet. You can always pause and do along with me. Now I'll make 2 chains and slip stitch inside the magic ring. Now pull out this magic ring tail that is hanging to close the ring so that there are no gaps in between. We'll make a chain and cut the yarn. Now let's tie knot and secure it. Here I am using B7000. You can also use Fevikwik. And I'm using an alligator clip to place these hearts. I have 2 hearts here, one on top and the other one below. Here we have made a cute little clip for yourself or for your friends, kids. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such beginner friendly tutorials.